right, as we continue on with learning new parent equations, today we're going to first look at the absolute value equation, and then we're going to split up and look at a whole bunch of new parent functions. So this says consider the function machines below for the function f of x equals absolute value of x. Remember, these bars mean absolute value. So here, if I plug 9 into the absolute value, so the absolute value of -9 is positive 9. Here, 7 is coming in, so the absolute value of 7 is 7. The absolute value of negative square root of 2 is square root of 2, and the absolute value of square root of 2 is square root of 2. So what is happening to absolute value of x? Describe what f of x equals absolute value of x does to each input. So if you look, the output is always positive. It didn't matter whether we started with a negative or started with a positive, our output always became the positive version of it. So I'd like you to try doing number 2 now. Fill in the question marks. All right, so here, what is our answer? What could we plug in to get 4 out? Well, this is a little tricky because it's 4 or -4. You need both. Actually, we should have the word "and" there, I guess. 4 and -4, 2 answers. If I plug 16 in, the absolute value of -16 is just positive 16. What would I plug in to get 9 out? Well, that would be -9 and 9, 2 possible answers. And is it possible for me to get -3 out? So is it possible for me to take the absolute value of something and get a -3 out? No, it's not. So this is not possible. Again, the reason it's not possible because the output for an absolute value is always positive. Here, the output's negative, so it's not possible.